Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Plug your guitar into a clean DAW or load an amp simulator track in FL Studio. You want a dry, high-headroom recording, so set the project sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz and buffer to 128-256 samples for low latency. Arm the mixer track, apply a light high pass at 80 Hz and trim peaks so your recorded take sits around -6 dB. Once done, export or consolidate takes to a single audio file, so editing is reliable and repeatable. Drag your consolidated take onto separate tracks and record or duplicate to create 2 to 4 tight performances for stereo spread. Pan matched pairs left and right. Insert your amp simulator first, then load a cabinet impulse response to capture realistic tone. Gate to remove noise, then carve mud with a cut around 200-400 Hz while boosting presence around 2-4 kHz. Once balanced, apply multi-band compression to glue low mids and a touch of harmonic saturation to enhance perceived gain without harshness. Route all guitar tracks to a dedicated bus where you use gentle compression, a low shelf cut, and a subtle high shelf to sit them in the mix. Once done, balance the guitar bus level against drums and bass, automate rides for dynamics, and use mid-side EQ to tighten the center while keeping stereo width. Render stems at full resolution. If things go wrong, make sure to phase check layered takes and listen in mono. Phase cancellation is the most common issue, and fixes restore power and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.